Once your data is uploaded, you can quickly add a dashboard and get started to visualize your data. Let's have a look at the variety of possibilities to do that. Dashboards consist of a white canvas that can be filled with all necessary widgets. To the right, you can see the 4 widget types to choose from to cover all your needs: charts, maps, text, and scenario selection. To get a nice result quickly, use the suggestions from the available data. For example, type timetable to find the previously uploaded trajectory data source and choose the suggested animated map widget to add an animation for vehicle journeys and stops. PTV Visum Publisher automatically adds an animated map widget with 2 layers, one for the vehicle journeys and one for the stops. The animated map widget brings timetables, SBA results, or ride-sharing fleets to life and gives decision makers intuitive access to the public transport supply and assignment results. Well, that's about it for creating an animation from a timetable, and it took us only a few clicks. The variety of widgets and the layer concept for maps in PTV Visum Publisher give you a great flexibility and enable you to set up a dashboard for every phase of your modeling project. Starting from demand and supply modeling, moving to assignment results, and finally analyzing them with evaluations like flow bundles and isochrones, PTV Visum Publisher supports you with visualizations for each phase of the transport model's life. Let's check out some examples. When setting up a model, it is necessary to have a look at the demand side. This dashboard focuses on presenting input and demand data by displaying and analyzing the attraction rate per zone. First, let's check out how static map widgets can help you to present model data in a map. The flexible layer concept enables you to choose from a broad variety of layers: 3D bars, lines, line bars, prisms, or points. For each layer, a suitable data source can be selected. Relevant attributes for color, radius, width, and height can be set to configure the data's display exactly as needed. You will see the power of this flexibility on the upcoming dashboard examples. In this case, the 2 maps display the attraction rate for people with a car available and respective without a car available per zone. Map widgets are much more powerful than screenshots. The automatically generated legend gives valuable information, and viewers can interact with the map to get in-depth insight on the map's content. In PTV Visum Publisher, use multiple maps to compare several KPIs, like in this dashboard, instead of adding a long appendix to your presentation. Charts can give a general overview and represent important KPIs. In this context, it is interesting to analyze the attraction rates across the whole model. To do this, you can add a column chart to the dashboard. Select the data source zone, the attribute demand stratum for the x-axis, and the attraction rate for the y-axis. This gives us a chart displaying the sum over all zones for the attraction rate per demand stratum to get a good overview. Instead of distributing model evaluations across multiple tools like Visum, Excel, and Access, you can now present and maintain everything in one place. In case you want to focus on specific data only, you will love the available filters for charts or dashboard-wide global filters. Let's have a look at the attraction rates for the inner city circle only. To do this, just add a global filter and filter for all respective zones. In this example, these are the zones with number less or equal 100. As soon as the filter is applied, you can see that only the respective zones are displayed in the maps and the values in the charts are adjusted. Filters enable you to analyze data further, drill down into it, and maintain the focus on the important things.